Okay, so what we're doing today is we're going to do a visual inspection on the underfloor area of a manufactured home. What we're looking for is the piers. We're going to take a look at the piers, make sure they're still structurally sound, not excess rust, and not deteriorating to the point that they can't support a load. Also looking for any signs of water leaks from plumbing, so water supply leaks or drain leaks. Also looking for any signs of holes in the belly paper. Just looking at the overall condition under the home and look for anything that we need to let the resident know that may need attention. So here we go. Another part of our underfloor inspection is checking the level of the home, and I'm not going to go through and setting up and using water level, but here we can see our piers. They're still in good shape, but we find a lot of spots that are wide open to the floor, so that'll go on our report. Piers are looking good so far. Let's keep checking. All right, here's another thing we find very often on these inspections where past work was done and nothing, plumbing repairs or electrical repairs are done, but no one ever wants to come back and fix the, and this ends up getting left wide open. This is the kitchen area of the home. All right, so this is what signs of a shower leak look like. All right, so here's an example of a pier that is deteriorated and coming apart. Here's a side look at a pier. It almost looks like it delaminates as it rusts. All right, here's a look at our electrical crossovers. Why it may look in disarray, the overall condition is good. I'm going to recommend that we get a cover plate for that. But we got copper wire, not aluminum, so that's always good. All right, this is our water crossover connection, our hot and cold water for Section A and Section B. Big part of our inspection, making sure those are not leaking. And these are in good shape. Okay, this is part of what I inspect. Here are our utility crossover. It comes from a bathroom, and it's in good shape. And that's a look at what I look for when I'm doing a underfloor inspection. So looking for plumbing leaks, looking for holes in the belly paper, looking for pier condition, looking at utility connections, looking to see if there's anything that's visually apparent with any of the utilities, be it electrical, gas connections if it has it, water connections, and just the overall condition. This home, I would rate it as a C. There are some areas that need improvement, some the deteriorated piers. I'm going to suggest that they replaced sooner than later. And then the holes in the belly paper and missing insulation, that comes down to a owner preference. I recommend that it gets fixed, but it is not as imperative as a deteriorated pier or any other component of your foundation system. But I want to thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this, please consider subscribing to the channel, maybe share it with someone, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.